I don't know why. I just wanted to start this video with a cute cat. But today we'll be looking at one of the best ways to track your competitors automatically and monitor your competitors on autopilot. That would be the whole goal of this video. I'm going to show you the best way to do this, how to take advantage of all the insights that you could gather and how you too could transform these into insights and learnings for your own marketing strategy. All right. For this, we're going to use a platform called Panoramata. It's the best way to track your competitors on autopilot. The good thing about this platform is that it specifically focuses on marketing, digital marketing. So on this single platform, you can track emails, flows, SMS, ads on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, TikTok, of course. But you can also track landing pages, the changes that they're making on their website, SEO, their pricings, their catalogs. There are a lot of stuff that you can track using this platform. Things that will then inform your own marketing strategy. The cool thing about tracking your competitors is that you gain knowledge. You have more data to then inform your own marketing strategy. And that's important because, of course, we operate in a world of uncertainty. But knowing what your competitors are doing, what they've been doing last year, what they will probably do next year, what they're doing at the moment, the recent shifts in their marketing strategy, these are data points that you can use to then de-risk your own growth marketing strategy. And this is why monitoring your competitors is super important. All right. So let's go. What we're going to do is use this platform and see how it works. It works. All right. On Panoramata, here I go. This is my dashboard on the platform. Right now on this demo account, I'm following between 10 and 12 brands, maybe e-commerce brands, but the platform works well for any kind of company you want to track. And here on the dashboard, everything's pretty simple. I have little summaries of what these brands have been doing during the very last few days. I can get more insights on a specific company as well. And then here I have an overview. Here I can check all the most recent updates that the platform gathered about the brands that I'm following. And then a few statistics on how many emails were sent, what was the quality of these emails, how many ads were published, which brands were the ones that actually published the most ads, which kind of ads, which kind of emails, what are the more recent email these brands have been sending as well. Of course, you can see the email in full if you'd like, with a few statistics on what happened during the most recent days as well. Cool thing is, this gives you a good overview already. But if you are really interested into what's been happening on the email side, you just have to click on the emails or the ad or in the feed to have a much more global overview. And here you're able to see all the recent emails sent by those companies. On top of the dashboard, which is really here to help you understand what happened recently for the brands that you want to track. The platform also offers a feature called benchmark, just right here. And benchmarks are quite cool because for any period of time, you can select any period of time you'd like. You can actually search and compare what these brands have done and how they've been behaving. So here, for instance, I've selected 7 coffee brands. And on the last 30 days, I can instantly know who's been sending the most emails, who's been getting the best performances in their email marketing strategy, who's been doing the most promotions, who's got the best spam score, and the same thing on the ads side as well. The same for the SEO, how many ads did they publish recently, etc. So that's pretty cool. I can do this for any period of time, of course. I can also go a bit deeper and have a much more statistical overview with graphs and statistics about how these brands are behaving. I can get an overview of their content calendar as well. And one of the cool things is, for instance, here for the emails, but it works as well for the ads, the landing pages, the SMS, pretty much everything. You can actually search all the brands that are in this benchmark. What are all the emails they've been sending containing the keyword summer? And you got them all here. And it's a cool way to look for new ideas and understand how your competitors are speaking about a specific topic. And you can do, of course, much more on the platform, track specific keywords, search for all the ads, generate insights for you in order to improve your own marketing strategy as well. But dashboard and benchmarks are the main two ways to really put your competitor monitoring on autopilot instead of spending 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes per competitor per week, per month, just to gather the data. The data is automatically gathered for you on the platform, and you don't have to spend hours looking for it. You can just spend the right time to understand what's been happening and then get the fresh insights for you. What else? Yeah, and just quickly, it also works, as we've been saying, on other industries as well. This is the case for SaaS B2B, if that's what you're interested about. Which companies have been sending the most emails recently? Get a few data about those companies as well. Graphs, search emails. You can also search all the ads as well, and those are all the ads published by those companies as well. And you can perform the same search to understand what they've been up to. Okay, all right. Don't wait for anything more. Don't let uncertainty hold you back for improving your competitive monitoring workflows. Sign up on Panoramata today and put your competitors' monitoring on autopilot. Take care, and wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.